Wiyake gima omwanchi omwaligerera chitariki Isano na isatu mutinyu 10 mwaka w'ekiribu 2022 asine yaliganiri bene korwa sigitaseni kia Ndizi TV linde ngoletere amangana Amayia ase enchera y'obwenge chinga kitoro che omokonyi b'omurai bwense Rigathi Gachagua agendete kwimukia egetambukira soko ene kibuna nyere kwa bakagokora omochando bwenchara asinsemo iminsitu ya Kenya na boigo chinga kitoro che ensi ya Kenya agendete kwero biria bene na boigo kwene kingotanga bare oburere bwebora obonyere kwa bokwene kigwa ase enseri ya Uganda manchumuliye na matuko emerongo enenatato atigaire ase chigosori chirichia FIFA World Cup nyako batogoso asinsemo chirichia Qatar endeto enyorere chigosori chio chiabene go manchumuli karansa oike linde ngomanye ase enchera y'obwenge endo tubwatia asinsemo chimitandao asinsemo ya Facebook na batnya gwetera Ndizi TV News Digital nabaga asensemo ya YouTube nabatnya gwetera Ndizi TV News asensemo ya website nabatnya gwetera www.ndizitv.or.ke reterane Fridah Kerubo tiotara so asensemo ya kabiri ya studio tokoirania ningomanye amange Umanchi omarigerere gingo chaka kigimani gongo kumanyibuna omokonyi b'omurai bwense Rigathi Gachagua bonanigo aimukiri egetambukero asogo chikoene kibunango ena nari ndagera asinsemo chiri chenyere ko bachikoene kigwa omorakera omonene anigo agocha magega yetugo enyinge gokwa kubwatikana no morakera asinsemo asaine kibunanigo aborkyo banyere ko bakonyora omochando asibatali konyora none chindagera asiskuru bagosoma nabo igo koirera tiga chiskuru amatukamange wana nigo aene kiribuna mbachikubwaterana nebyombe gati yabo ekyombe gya Red Cross eryo kwene kibuna omochando bwencharango kyanure asenseitu ya Kenya orobotura senchera iyo bwenye.
Again, in terms of livestock intervention, we note with a lot of concern the destruction of livelihoods. Livestock herders who have lost livestock have become impoverished and their lives almost coming to a halt. As a part of the mitigation, we have agreed with the Kenya Meat Commission and the Kenya Red Cross within the ambit of the county coordinating teams that we shall purchase livestock for slaughtering and distribution to the needy population for feeding, and at the same time we prepare corned beef for distribution to the schools, so that our children are able to go to school. To enhance transparency and accountability, all food by the national government, by the county governments, by our development partners will be received and distributed by the county coordinating teams. And all that food will be documented from the point of being received up to the distribution.
Gotigana na yo mwancho muligerere na gosika mutu ase orobotrundeni gongo kumanyibuna kubatikana no burere bwa Ebola obugendete kwene kigwa ase enseri ya Uganda bono ensi ya Kenya nigo bagendete kubika emirobile ya bene aso kwene kibunango tangabale oburere obugo chagoso ase enseitu ya Kenya bono nigo baganire sector yobo chenu kwene kingango mentabale abanyagitali aso kwene kibuna abantu angolengi gobale ndo kwene ki oburere bwa sinsemo chichogo soera ase ya Kenya.
Shortfall of health workers, public health officers at the point of entry. As it is today, we have 289 public health officers in all our point of entries. According to the WHO standard, we are supposed to have 512 public health officers at the point of entry. Therefore, we require 218.
The officers, even during the times of Ebola, the huge resources the government received, not even a single cent was received by the officers in terms of facilitation. They have not received their allowances, they have not received their overtime pay, they have not received any single cent, but they have continued to work as citizens of this country.
We need really to put it exactly that public health in this republic has been taken for granted.
Abamenyi korwa sensemo ya Ole Kasairo ngai e county ya Kajiado wananigo ba murunganiri kubwatikana ne para embe yaberege koratelia oboncherelia ase ensemeyo ase sekta iyo bosombi anene mono boda boda wananigo ba murunganiri kubwatikana ne buse ase batebire bunanigo obosombi bwanyere kwa bokoratera sensemeyo naboigo anene mono ase bali boncherelia bali ba emebagani ase batebire bunanige buse yo egoso ase chindagera chabo naboigo era irere konyora amaroire amange.
Not too long ago it was lined out, it was graded, it was patched. It seemed like something is going to happen. Good amount of cement was poured on this road. Now what remains is actually the inhaling of this as dust.
Kuna wanafunzi wengine wanaondoka upande huko Ndizi, wanatembea kwa hii barabara na lori ikipita mbele yake. Hata mimi ni mmoja wao, siku moja nimeshakonga mawe nikaanguka chini.
Hata abiria hapo kitambo wakati ilikuwa vizuri, tulikuwa tunaweza kubeba watu. Lakini mahali imefika saa hii hata abiria ni ngumu sana waingie kwa tuktuk kwa sababu hizi mabonde. Ikiendelea hivi huenda tukaenda nyumbani.
Hata kwa hoteli vumbi inaingia. Clients wamehofia hata wakuji siku hizi tumekosa kazi. Hata wameanza kufikiria kulay off wafanyikazi wengine juu ya hii vumbi.
Aya, kwa wanafunzi ndio hawa wenye tulikuwa tunabeba before wamehama hii area, investors wamehama hii area, kazi ya bodaboda imekuwa ni kama hakuna.
Cause wengine wetu tunaendesha hatuna mask, sisi watu wavae mask ya kuzuia nini. Ukienda kwa nyumba unasikia kifua imejaa nini. Waheshimiwa wanakuja tu hapo wanatupea promises hakuna.
Ekiombe gia Universities Academic Staff Union niko bono kiago sereiri omugiro gochia ase serikali ya Kenya kwanza onye magani abo tago chigotegerera ubuya naboigo goikiranirwa niko bono barure amatuko 52 ase batebire buna nigo abali mu bechi university babenete koligererwa naboigo gwakanwa ase enchera ebwenerete orobatero ase enchera iyo bwikirano.
On 11th this month, the National Executive Council has resolved that they are going to give a 7-day strike notice to Egerton University management and the government that failure to pay everything that is owed to university staff. Egerton University staff are going to down their labor on 17th. As a union, we are saying we want the government to allocate money for mass recruitment of lecturers in public universities. The government came up with a policy of 100% transition. Now they have reached universities. And the lecturers are still the same. So universities are relying on part-time lecturers. If we have accepted that the lecturers are not sufficient, and you are engaging part-time lecturers, then absorb those part-time lecturers and pay them well. As a union, we are not going to allow people to be engaged on part-time basis and you don't pay them. So I want to send a resounding warning to all part-time lecturers in our public universities. Don't engage with the universities because they are underpaying you. They are not paying you. Keep on taking those lessons. Why do you take lessons when you are not being paid?
Unentere ya moyo kulinda ebitwetanaine ekambuni ya Kenya Pipeline nigo yimukiri egetambukero kyo gusimika emete ya mangrove ase county ya Mombasa nigo ekambuni yo erengete gusimika emete gwetania Chiribu ikomya Chinsa mecho ase bagokeire egetambukero kyo naboigo abamenyi benseme yibairane rimbya mono asokwane kibuna nigo ekambuni yo agendete kulinda ebitwetanaine konde nigo baganiri abamenyi benseme yo kulinda emete yo naboigo koyecherera asokwene kibuna ngo kinere ubuya orobatira senchera iyo winge.
We have Kenya Pipeline Corporation here which has adopted this site. They started the activities last year. The total area they have adopted is 100 hectares. So the planting of mangrove started last year. Last year a total of 106,000 mangroves were planted. And this time again another target of 100,000 is to be planted. So we are very happy. We also work with other stakeholders Remember, in conservation and management, we have to protect, we have to conserve, and therefore we also rely with other stakeholders like friendly forces, and you can see KDF is here. We also have the Ministry of Interior that we cooperate with very closely. So we are very grateful that stakeholders cooperate with us to manage these mangroves, to plant, to restore.
Omwanche mwarigereria korwa ase orobotirio nigo naikire omwele wa mangana Amayia ase birebiga kurinde ngo sabato basagoshikato basakanyegera ayo na mange chikoraga Chinsa ikomino yenyora senchira ayo bwenye enda gutubwatia ase Chinsa mochiche mitandao asensemo ya Facebook nabo tunyagwitira Ndizi TV News Digital nabo gasensemo ya YouTube nabo tunyagwitira Ndizi TV News asensemo ya website nabo tunyagwitira www.ndizitv.or.ke mange kamera soko ene kibna chana boigo eliogire gukira sura senchira ya bene nere Abigail Nyanchama nenchiritaria ne Fridah Kerubo ngokoganiria esabato ingia